Everybody expect me Aston Villa like my, even me too. They expect me Aston Villa like my. We want me the coach go. And as I said, a collective effort now. But I'm sure say the coach will go tomorrow morning. That I'm sure he will go tomorrow morning.
For the draw.
Yes, now if you watch me, you go see the ball there. Everybody, Omar Beretta, the owners of the club, Radcliffe, everybody come watch the game. Which means say they get decision to make this evening for the coach. But I'm very sure say that coach will go tomorrow with Van Nistelrooy taking as interim manager. Understand? So me, the game itself, no impress me. They no play anything. And again, to that man, I need to understand why they play two right wingers for left and right when you get two left wingers for bench. You understand? All of us waiting Anthony can do, in try, in make impact. If he dey longer, he for do more. You see him. You understand? So we need more decision makers in our team, like our midfielders. Imagine a club whereby Christian Eriksen go dey start. Which mean say no midfielder again now. As me that man you don make myself, I no dey fit get sense to talk again. I just dey calm, make I no go die early. Understand? I swear, because any club wey Bruno Eriksen go be first choice midfielder, then the club don die now. Understand? But I believe say we never die sha. Na transition phase with this. We go still work out, grab, but make dem sack the coach. Make we fit get coach. Make we fit give us pattern. You understand? Because normally our team na counter attacking football we dey play, but we no dey see counter attack for here again. Nothing. Even the one sef wey Garnacho get wey go square play for Bruno Fernandes, nothing come out. Him play the ball like say him be on a 17 player. So we need more tactical coaches wey go press these people, give them good role models wey go press make dem fit dey take do better thing. If you watch Aston Villa play, you go see the use of training. You understand? They are very composed on the ball. Exactly what you dey find. Exactly what you dey find. But all these persons ready for this team, they are not giving us that. You understand? I didn't see any motivation for this club. Say maybe I figure say okay, man, you go win. No. Our skipper, we all of us carry as our best player. Now we all of us to say make him go. Bruno Fernandes, because the guy is not making impact anymore. He grab. So we need new players. The club self, Aji, the club don't dey weak me. I swear. Congratulations, say at least we no lose again. Everybody expect us to lose, but we still shock them. That's why we are Manchester United normally.